This video will show you how to use the Smeg Hobd. The Smeg Hobd can be turned on using the power button. Simply touch and hold to activate. The touchscreen is light activated rather than by pressure or heat, so ensure to lay your finger onto the screen rather than press. Depending on your model, you will have key controls or slider controls. For slider controls, firstly select the zone. Then slide your finger up the control to select your level of heat. There's a supplementary power feature allowing full power cooking for 10 minutes. Slide your finger down the control to reduce the heat. Whilst each zone can be controlled individually, it's possible to merge cooking zones to allow a single zone to have the same power level. This allows you to utilise the whole space, perfect for large pans and even induction-friendly baking trays, perfect for making homemade gravy. This is called the bridge function. To activate, simultaneously press the two bars of the zones you wish to join. The bridge symbol will light up. It's now possible to control the temperature of the whole multi-zone via one slider control. On some models, there are automatic programs. These are indicated by a cooking pot symbol on the control panel. Press the symbol to activate the function. The symbol with a single line automatically brings the zone to a melting or defrosting setting at 42 degrees Celsius. Ideal for melting butter and chocolate gently. Select twice for the symbol with two lines. This function heats at 74 degrees and is perfect for keeping food warm prior to serving. Finally, the symbol with three lines is the simmering function at 92 degrees. Below boiling, it allows liquids to simmer at a gentle rate. Regardless of the model, the Smeg Hobd comes equipped with auto vent technology. Smeg's innovative auto vent system connects the hob to the hood. This controls the extraction fan speed and selects the power based upon the temperature of the hob. This is set to come on as default, but can be manually altered or turned off. In addition to 8 extraction levels, there are 2 power functions, Intensive 1 and Intensive 2. These can be manually selected and run for 10 minutes and 5 minutes retrospectively before returning to the previous fan speed. After use, wipe down with a soft, damp cloth. Polish with a dry microfiber cloth. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.